So we're gonna put on a Frisco mount tank and figure it all out with bungs.
It doesn't fit for shit.
Because
It's gonna sit in the air up like that. You have to use your bung. So do you want it in the air like that, or do you want to have it down like that?
it'll be off a little bit, obviously.
Doesn't have to be. Or do you want it to be?
Whatever will work best.
Throw it away and put a real tank on it?
No.
That wasn't the one?
Nope.
Or
We're gonna have this tank on there.
some safety wire around the outside and leave it at that with a hose clamp?
That could work, but I think it might vibrate off.
You don't think this is going to vibrate off either?
No, Loctite.
Okay.
Loctite, and we'll weld it on there too.
This will sit up at this height right here, which is nowhere near the flush. If you take and put a bolt all the way through the whole frame, put a nut over here, it won't fall off if it gets loose because it'll just vibrate and rattle. Maybe you'll torque it back down again. And it can sit on the frame instead of being up in the air like that, which looks like crap. That's one option. And up in here, we have the same problem. You either sit flush or you sit way up in the air on top of your stupid bung thing. Like that. Or we see what we got to work with after we cut a hole in that thing, and maybe just drill and tap it and not use your stupid bung. Or I can slide it down further and drill all the way through it and put a bolt all the way through this one also. We have a bolt here and a bolt right through here.
Yeah, I wanted to use the bung because I wanted to eliminate having a bolt going all the way through the frame.
And that bolt going all the way through is what gives you protection, keeps the tank from falling off. Otherwise, we can take this and flatten this in the press, and then at least it would be flat like this. It'll sit that high in the air.
I don't mind if it sits that high.
So we can flatten this out in the press, so at least the bolt would sit flat on a flat surface. It'll hold it better. That'll give it something to wiggle against, so it wouldn't be sliding around so bad. And then we have to put a hole up in there, hole in the front too. So you like that better?
Yeah. I like it just, I don't want to have the whole bolt all the way through the frame.
Alright. Not sure what's going to happen to this when we bend these.
Can't we weld that bung on and then grind it at an angle?
The bolt still won't be tight. The bolt has to have a flat area to work to. So, we already have a sleeve inside the frame. So we put that right next to the edge here, and you mark it where the hole will be. So our hole is going to be about right there. That's as far back as we go because this tube is about right here. That's about where the tube is. That would go right in the center right there, like that.
Yeah, I made the mark right there.
Yeah, you're too far up. And then this one's going to be wherever it comes in up here. Alright, let's go play around with the tank, see what we come up with. Sure didn't weld that very straight, did they? Tank's flat? That ain't very flat. Look at it from this view. Yeah, way over here. Quality. Precision done. Well, we want to sit in the vehicle straight, so I'm going to have to at least put this in the center. Get this pins done. All right, look how even that is. Now we're going to want to put a hole right here in the middle. I think that one is locking fluid. All right, I think we're going to have to put a little weld right here to boost it up a little higher. Gotta get something for you to play with later.
There we go.
Okay, we just marked this here, so we use a piece of metal here so we got something to push against. You hold the tank flat, put the washer up on there, center where you want it, and it's flat. If it's over here, obviously you're not very flat, so we're using a washer to give us an idea where the hole is. And that's where you take your center punch and nail the damn pig. It works on the front too. So now we can drill it, and we know where we're at. So what are we going to do next? A hole. One hole. Okay, we're going to do a 3/8 hole because we got 3/8 bolts. So this isn't quite 3/8. If you drill too fast, it'll rip in there and try to rip the tank out underneath us. See how I like to do that?
Yep.
Fun, huh?
We got it.
Now, that was a real bang in the table.
Yep.
Like how that was?
Bang.
I want to make sure it hit hard. When they complain about me banging, I'm really good banging. Okay, it's our 3/8 hammer. Hold it.
Yep.
Don't go too slow. You notice how reamers do not grab tanks and lift them.
Yep. Because their thread is vertical.
Right. It's called a flute.
Flute.
Spiral straight. Now they even make these in spiral too, then we would have the same problem. Okay, so that is 3/8 even. And this is one size above 3/8. Because we know we're going to be really accurate. Okay. So what we do is deburr that hole and we'll be good. Now for the other side, it's going to be more fun. Because we have no room. Where we want it. See, we need to have something about that tall to get in here.
Mm-hmm.
Guess what?
We don't.
Hey, you're right. So that's going to be a little bit more of a fun project to do.
Turn it upside down.
Well, that's one option, but it's hard to hold the tank upside down.
Sure.
At least officially, until you get a hole in it. So what we have to do is we got to get a hole in there. The problem is the drill is going to want to go that way because you're going to be coming at an angle.
Mm-hmm.
So it's going to naturally go in deeper than we want to go. It'll be another problem. So we'll have to figure out what we're going to do here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a real long drill without a center drill and see what happens. I'll take You know, something like one of these. Almost fits. I could just put a big dent right in the tank there.
Nah, that's cool.
You want me to do that?
Nah.
It's more fun.
Nah. Not really.
Sure
Oops, sorry.
Sure it is. Get to make noise.
Use a hammer?
Be great video. Look what I can do. Spin that up. You know, Simon, can you think it's gonna be dangerous?
I'm getting on this side so I can see what's going on.
Oh, okay. You don't think it's gonna be dangerous, then?
No.
Okay. All right, so I'm gonna put this over here. I'm gonna put a stop on that so I can't go into the table too far. And there's a problem, see? See the problem?
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to get into that far. See, I can hold the drill like that. Drill at an angle.
Mm-hmm.
That'll be real fun to do. I get to hold the tank, hold the drill. And I had my leather gloves on.
Yep.
I'm sure that was very OSHA approved. Okay, now we're going to move it to a little bigger size. Maybe like that one?
Yeah, I think that works.
There's a reason why I have those there. For drilling deep holes. Let's see. Alright. Okay, this one got to do the same thing because we have the same problem. We have to flex it. Now this one's a little bit stronger though, so push it a little harder. Now you gotta make sure your drills don't have any birds on there when you're holding it like that.
Slice your fingers open.
It could make it bleed a little bit.
Just a little.
Not the drill.
Not the drill. Drills don't bleed.
They don't?
They don't cry either.
No, here's the big one here, but that might be too big. But now that's made like for wood. See how steep that thing is, or plastic or something. I bet you it really would want to grab hard on a piece of crappy ass thing like that. Damn, it's actually the right size too. Look at that. Good thing I had that. That looks really dangerous. Let's find out. See, this is why I have a deep melt way down.
There you go.
Yeah, this is going to be nice and fun. I think I'll turn it down a little bit on speed. Yeah, that'll be dangerous enough.
I don't think it's going to make that curve.
I think it's going to make a lot of curves. I think what's going to happen is going to dig in and rip the tank out of here and try to hit me. It's going to go that way, so I should be alright. Until it comes back all the way around and hits me in the chest.
Well, we'll run away.
Okay. Alright. You're going to have to help me hold this because I don't trust it, so
Alright.
no camera.
Made a little bit of progress, but we totally destroyed the top of that. Here, let me put it up over
It was
here.
cutting the metal very well.
It was not. You can see there, we ripped into it.
It was going good and it stopped cutting.
Yeah, then it was just like, no, I'm done. I'm done for the day. See you guys tomorrow.
Yeah, it started smoking real good though.
Yeah, it did. I was pissed. Now we're going to use this guy. There we go.
Most of the work was done by the drill until it decided to be working.
Yep.
So that's what they make the reamers for. I think we're going to have to deburr them by hand with a rotary burr. That'll work a little better. Look at all those marks in the front of that tank where somebody's eating on it with a
Oh man,
full,
value went down.
at least 50 cents.
At least.
There we go. Good as new.
Custom.
Alright, so I'm going to deburr the other side here. Use the floor for what it's for. Yeah, that drill was not happy on going through that hole. It looks like it just kind of melted through. Yeah. Yep, not very happy. Alright, we'll grind the rest.
Cool.